Om Namah Shivaya. Friends, today we'll be talking about a nakshatra called Chitra. Chitra nakshatra, which falls under 23.20 degrees in Virgo to 6.40 in Libra. कुछ हिस्सा इस नक्षत्र का वर्गों में और कुछ हिस्सा जो है तुला राशि के अंतर्गत आ जाता है. चित्र, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, अ पिक्चर और अ फोटोग्राफ or a painting. The symbol of this nakshatra is that of a bright jewel or a bright pearl or a bright gemstone. And the planetary lord associated with this nakshatra is Mars, Mangal Graha. And the devata associated with this nakshatra is Vishwakarma, or it is also referred as Twastar. Twastar or Vishwakarma, who is the celestial architect. It is believed that the universe was designed, the hologram, the structural design was of the universe was constructed by Twastar or Vishwakarma. Now, natives belonging to this nakshatra, as the name suggests, chitra, picture, photograph, painting, कुछ इस तरीके का काम जो है चित्रा नक्षत्र वाले करेंगे. Either they would be into films, okay, making videos, taking pictures, or painters, painting something, or people into designing, like architectural designs, interior decorators, people into designing of structures, okay, people into photography, people into graphics, people dealing with the cyber department, people into cyber vigilance. They belong to this nakshatra Chitra. And Mars is the lord of this nakshatra. So people belonging to this nakshatra are very energetic, hyper energetic at times. And the theme of bright jewel. One time in life, these natives are bound to shine very brightly, like the bright pearl or the bright jewel. There are n number of instances from Bollywood, Hollywood, people who came from nowhere and just they took over the world. They all belong to Chitra nakshatra. Sylvester Stallone, Justin Bieber, okay, and many more examples of people in the film cinema industry who belong to Chitra nakshatra. Also, as the animal of this nakshatra is tiger. And kids form a very crucial part of their life. And it is also seen kids of Chitra nakshatra native are very beautiful and industrious, okay, very talented. This is also seen in Chitra nakshatra. And Chitra nakshatra carries a karmic registry curse of Venus planet. So it is seen people belonging to the Chitra nakshatra or the DNA relations of the natives belonging to the Chitra nakshatra, like uncles, aunts, cousins, siblings. There would be one broken relationship, broken marriage, or some marital problems in the life of the native of Chitra nakshatra or the DNA relatives of the concerned person. If you have Chitra nakshatra prominent, clothing, as an animal totem is tiger. So tiger is known for its fur. Okay, it has a very beautiful fur. So it is also seen Chitra nakshatra are very much fond of fine clothing, printed clothing. Also, they might wear gemstones or jewels, as the symbol of this nakshatra is jewels. They might wear jewelry, gemstones, good clothes. These are all the traits of Chitra Nakshatra. A prominent Chitra Nakshatra native is very distinctly visible in the crowd of many. अगर आपका चित्रा नक्षत्र है तो एज अ रेमेडियल पार्ट यू कैन यूज टाइगर सिंबोलॉजी in your phone's backdrop wallpaper, somewhere in social media, somewhere. Okay, writing the mantra Om Vishwakarmaye Namah. Om Vishwakarmaye Namah. As the devata of this nakshatra is Vishwakarma or Twastar, as I said. Writing the mantra Om Vishwakarmaye